Welcome back to our channel. Today we have got an exciting project in store for you. We will be showing you how to interface a flame sensor within Arduino Uno to create a fire detection system. This can be incredibly useful for fire detection in small projects or as a starting point for more advanced fire safety systems. So let's dive right in. Before we get started, let's take a quick look at the flame sensor. This sensor can detect the presence of flames or fire by responding to infrared radiation emitted by flames. It's simple yet effective way to alert us in case of fire. Before we begin, make sure you have the following components ready: Arduino Uno board, flame sensor module, buzzer, and jumper wires. Now let's wire up the circuit. Connect the VCC of the flame sensor with 5V of the Arduino Uno. Connect the D0 pin of the flame sensor with digital pin 3 of the Arduino Uno. Connect the ground pin of the flame sensor with the ground of the Arduino Uno. Connect the buzzer with digital pin 13 of the Arduino Uno. As you can see, buzzer sounds when the sensor detects a flame. You have successfully created a flame sensor interface with Arduino Uno and built a simple buzzer alarm system. This can be great foundation for more advanced fire safety projects like integrating with smart detectors or sending notification to your smartphones. The possibilities are endless. Remember, safety is important when working with fire related components. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more interesting DIY projects. If you have any question or suggestion, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.